Is everything. Is everything. What is meant to be will be.
Alright, so I'm starting off with an old twist out that is pretty much stretched out. So we're going to jump into style number 1. So I'm just using a natural styling moisturizer. I applied that to my hair. And now we're going to make an illusion ponytail at the front of our hair, yes. So I'm taking closed bobby pins and I'm going to pin up both sides of my hair, leaving the back of my hair out. As you guys can see, I'm using my brush to brush up my hair. And then I'm going to take 2 more bobby pins at the front of my hair to create the ponytail, kind of pushing my hair back. As you guys can see, it's giving that ponytail shape. We don't need a ponytail holder. And then I'm just going to take my pick and puff out my hair, fluff it out a little bit more. Lay down my baby hairs with some Eco Styler gel, and this is the finished look. I'm just loving it. It gives off a fuller illusion for your ponytail if you have short hair like mine. Into style 2, so basically I'm just taking my rat tail comb and I am parting 3 sections at the front of my hair. I'm using these thin hair ties. They don't have a gold clasp at the back, so they will not snag my hair. Make sure you guys get those ones. And I'm just going to put 3 ponytails in the front, really simple and straight to the point. Here's an up close look at the final look. It is definitely kid friendly, but adults can wear it too. Alright, so moving into style 3, we're just going to take the rat tail comb and part the front section of our hair going straight down the middle like so. And as you guys can see, I'm only using the end of the rat tail comb. Taking the same ponytail holders as before, I'm going to create 2 ponytails at the front of my head. And then next, what I'm going to do is do a 2-strand twist within the ponytails that I just created. And then I'm going to take a closed bobby pin and pin it down, going back towards my head. To spice up the look, I'm going to take these jewels that I got at my local beauty supply store and just attach them to the beginning of the ponytails. And then it creates this really cute, chic look, and I'm just loving it. And last but not least, style number 4. So I'm going to take some more bobby pins and I'm going to pin up both sides of my hair like so. Kind of pinning them far back, and as you guys can see, I'm basically creating a mohawk. As you guys can see, this is a style within itself. You can wear it like that, but I'm actually going to take it a step further and I'm going to make a cute little pompadour at the front of my head. I'm just going to roll the hair back in the front and kind of tuck it under, and then I'm just applying some bobby pins there to hold it into place. Here's an up close look at look number 4. It's super cute. You definitely can wear this for holidays, to the office, for any occasion. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Comment down below your favorite style in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.